for a brighter tomorrow, oh Lord, then you'll have to change today. Lord. If you're looking for a brighter future, oh, then let Jah have His way. Oh, if you look in the world and see just what you can do, there may be someone down and out and need someone to pull him through. If mankind would unite and try to shine on light, then everything would be right in life. A stitch in time, say it's night. Make up your mind, mankind, and let your light so shine that men may see true love divine, true love divine, true love divine. Let Jah have His way, oh yeah, let Jah have His way, oh yeah. Should you hate your brother? No, that's wrong. Should you hate your sister? You know that's wrong. It's time to love your mother. Yes, that's right. Show love to your sister. You know that's right. But if you really want to save the world, first you gotta save your soul. You gotta have self-control and let Jah play His role. Yeah. And take a look in the world and see just what you can do. There might be someone sad and lonely and need someone to pull him through. Look within your heart, be willing to play your part as it was ordained from the start. A stitch in time saves time. Make up your mind, mankind, and let your light so shine that men may see true love divine, true love divine, true love divine. Let Jah have His way. Let Jah have His way. Should you hate your brother? No, that's wrong. Should you hate your sister? You know that's wrong. Time to come together. Yes, that's right. Let's come together and go do right. Look within your heart. You gotta play your part as it was ordained from the start. A stitch in time saves time. Make up your mind, mankind, and let your light so shine. That man will sing, Jah Jah.
Before your presence we singing. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. You said I must love and feed my enemies, and I'm gonna do it. You said I shouldn't hate or grudge, and I won't, not even for a minute. Let only truth come from my lips. Bless our souls, cause without you we can't make it. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. You're the wind beneath my wings, see me through all of the things. You lifted me when I was down, now you have me standing on higher ground. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. How excellent is thy name, deliver us from sin and shame. Out of the mountain, babe, and subtle in you have ordained strength. Oh, Jah, I'm depending on you. Oh, no other help I know. Oh, Jah, I'm depending on you. Oh, no other help I know. You're the only way. God be defeated. thy words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. You said I must love and feed my enemies, and I'm gonna do it. You said I shouldn't take your grudge, and I won't, not even for a minute. Let only truth come from my lips. Bless our souls, Lord, without you we can't make it. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. You're the wind beneath my wings, see me through all little things. You lifted me when I was down, now you have me standing on higher ground. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. Oh, Jah, I'm depending on you. Oh, no other help I know. Oh, Jah, I'm depending on you. No other help I know. Oh, watch over our shoulders, help us live our words. Ooh, alright. Lord, watch over our shoulders.
Fighting for the army, no people can come near it now. I a soldier, I fight for the army. Enemy, I come right and now with this army. But the battlefield, spiritually we are one. No stumbling blocks in my way. Take up my prophecy, I chant me, I chant. Them never know me live the full 10 commandments. I give God praise and love Him every day, for that is the awful way. I give God the glory, oh Lord, Lord Jah and live I say, hate Him and perish. Wake up this morning, I give thanks and praise. They never know, say, that's how we get the wages. They keep wondering how we survive, but Jah's always by our side. They must see things, say, I'm crazy, we crazy. What can you live button and them tell we you're maybe. Good things say, I and I not lazy. The spirit of Jah will survive. You got to. There's no other way. I say, yeah. Some of them still a run down vanity. Oppress a brother and no love for humanity. What them a do now, what them a say. The road is long but we're standing strong. Take up my prophecy, I chant me, I chant them. They never know we live the full 10 commandments. Give God praise and love Him every day, for that is the awful way, man. You got to. There's no other way, I say, yeah. Oh well now, oh yeah now. I run for the run, we come when we come. Oh well. Say you got to, the glory, praise to the Most High, I say. Oh well now, oh well. And I a soldier, I fight with your army. Enemy, I come right and now we disarm them. On the battlefield, spiritually we are one. No stumbling blocks in my way. Wake up this morning, we give thanks and praises. They never know, say us, so we get the wages. They keep wondering how we survive, but Jah's always by our side. Man, you got to, oh yes now. There is no other way, I say, yeah. Oh, no. You got to give Jah the glory now. For His mercies and your
soul, I'm so strong, like a rock on the mountain.
So strong, so strong, yeah, so strong, so strong, yeah. I'll never fear no wicked, evilest men, because the Lord is my helping hand.
Put us in slavery, and what they gave us was brutality. Whoa, leo, leo, whoa, yeah, yeah. Whoa, leo, leo, whoa, yeah. Put us in this world of wickedness, cover our face with darkness. All I see is war. I and I say we got to stay far. In this Armageddon, there will be no mercy. There will be weeping and wailing. Whoa, leo, leo, whoa, yeah. Whoa, leo, leo, whoa, yeah. We're here to love and care for each other, and not to fight over brothers. No, so let's get together and live as one and destroy Satan's plan. Whoa, leo, leo, whoa, yeah. Whoa, leo, leo, whoa, yeah. I can see King Moses and Solomon chanting down that wall of Babylon. Yeah. I can see King Moses and the wise men chanting down that wall of Babylon. Let no man deceive you, let no man rearrange you. Yes, they put us in slavery, but what they gave us was brutality. Whoa, leo, leo, whoa, yeah. Whoa, leo, leo, whoa, yeah. I can see, God knows. Oh Lord, help us, God. Whoa, yeah. Whoa.
Hey, hey, when the road is called up yonder, I've got to be there, alright. When the road is called up yonder, yes, I want to be there. But when the rhythm is playing in the dance, I gotta be there, oh Lord. Yes, I gotta be there, Lord, no. But I'll go singing and dancing sweet reggae music songs, and all the folks in the dance all night longing. Cause when the road is called up yonder, integrity, yes, and gotta be there. When the road is called up yonder, Kennesaw will be singing there. I'll be singing a happy song. All the saints will be dancing all along. So when the road is calling up yonder, I'll be there, alright. And I'll be singing my favorite songs. I will be singing it all along. Cause when the road is called, when the roll call, I'll be there. Whoa, microphone will be there. Nitty-gritty, I sure will be there. Yeah, and we'll be all singing. Whoa, 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 whoa. the system are dancing. Them say, hey, what a sweet piece of song. It nice a dance that serve me long, yeah. Them say, Lord, what a sweet piece of song. Give it all night long, all night long. Cause when the roll is called, then I'll be there, I'll be there. Oh, I'll be there, I'll be singing there. Whoa. But I'll be playing the music on my guitar.
I no lie, I'm man a tell. Say I no lie, I'm man a tell. Alright, what do you know? Say man, you better look before you leave. Man, you better look before you leave. So what a man sow, that shall he reap. You can't plant corn and go get peace. Cause in a this a time, the run is well steep. And every silent river, you know it run deep. Achoo, yes, me, I drink achoo. I say no lie, I man a tell. Used to preach by the prophet as well. Say what you give, that's what you get. You live in love, you won't live on fret. You digging a pit, you better dig too. Cause I know one will be for you. Achoo, yes, me, I drink achoo. I don't lie, I man a tell. Say I don't lie, I man tell. Read it in the books of Proverbs and sound you well. Lord mercy. Say man, you better look before you leave. Man, you better look before you leave. So what a man sow, that shall you reap. You can't plant corn and go get peace. Cause in a this a time, the run is well steep. And every silent river, you know it run deep. Achoo, yes, me, I drink achoo. I no lie, I man a tell. Say I no lie, I man a tell. Say look for yourself and you'll see as well. Get tell me why. Cause a life is like a trade. You never stop the learning. What you do it to someone, you do it to yourself. So build the house on a solid foundation. Make sure it's not a water plantation. If you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. I don't lie, I man a tell. Lord, I don't lie, I man a tell. Take a look and you will see for yourself. Achoo, yes, me, I drink achoo. I no lie, I man a tell. Say I no lie, I man a tell. Man, you better look before you leave. Man, you better look before you leave. Cause what a man sow, that shall is on the most high. Judge, stand up in the powers of the most high. Stand up straight, Ethiopians, help I chant and Babylon gate. Stand up straight now, Ethiopians, help I chant and Babylon gate now. Judy Gang said we bend down low. They thought that's how it go. So a lot of them don't touch them toe. Never knew that it was a trick. Babylon was plotting to it. Babylon start lash them with big stick. Them jump up quick, but through the powers of the Most High Jah, I and I will get over. Child no more blood sucking vampire. And stand up straight, Ethiopians, help I chant and Babylon gate. Stand up straight now, Ethiopians, help I chant and Babylon gate. All the people talk Babylon won't cooperate. All them do is just lead the children astray, instigating war and fighting.
criticizing without realizing the whole wide world is in a mess. Lord of mercy, the whole wide world is in a mess. What a stress. Stand up straight, Ethiopians. Help I chant on Babylon Gate. Stand up straight now, Ethiopians. Help I chant on Babylon Gate now. Babylon to realize this soon. You better stop send man go a moon. This whole world is gonna be a doom. Nothing else but a concrete tomb. If you don't change up your evilous ways, you hear me? Jah the Almighty will shorten up your days. Come along now and stand up straight, Ethiopians. Help I chant down Babylon Gate. Stand up straight now, Ethiopians. Help I chant down Babylon Gate. Stand up straight, Ethiopians. Help I chant down Babylon Gates now.
Can the words come to pass? Marcus, can the words come to pass? Can't get no food to eat. Can't get no money to spend. Oh, can't get no food to eat. Can't get no money to spend. Oh, come little one, oh, let me do what I can for you and you, hello. Come little one, come. Oh, let me do what I can for you and you alone. Oh, you know the right hand do it now. Shall be spanked with many stripes, weeping and wailing and mourning. You got yourself to blame. I tell you, to right. I beg you, tell you to do right. Beg you to do right.
Still we striving for better, and we not gonna stop till the battle is won and we get justice. Cause if you lose your stand, anyone will try to push you over and over. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Don't be discouraged by the pitfalls and their worries. Pain endure for one night, but joy cometh in the morning. And if you lose your soul, there's nothing to gain. It will be over, over. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Yes, we're stepping up stronger. Coming harder. Ain't looking back, feeling stronger. Ready to launch the attack. Do you remember when we were the cream of the crop? They stole our Bible. At the carbon we got, they took us away from Africa with an intention to kill our culture. But through the power of the Most High, our mental capacity get wider. Coming harder. Ain't looking back, feeling stronger. Ready to launch the attack. Do you remember when we were the cream of the crop? They stole our Bible. At the carbon we got, this is the time to live as his one. Help your brother man from out of the slum. It's no crime if blood have to run. To liberate yourself you have to live in the sun. Coming harder. Ain't looking back, feeling stronger. Ready to launch the attack. Do you remember when we were the cream of the crop? They stole our Bible. At the carbon we got, emancipate your mind from slavery. I know one day Jah will set us free. Some have been brainwashed, got tricked easily. Forget all their friends and their family. Coming harder. Ain't looking back, feeling stronger. Ready to launch the attack. Do you remember when we were the cream of the crop? They stole our Bible. At the carbon we got, they took us away from Africa with an intention to kill our culture. But through the power of the Most High, our mental capacity get wider. Emancipate your mind from slavery. I know one day Jah will set us free. Some have been brainwashed, got tricked easily. Forget all their friends and their family. Coming harder. Ain't looking back, feeling stronger. Ready to launch the attack. You remember when we were the cream of the crop? They stole our Bible. At the carbon we got, this is the time to live by his one. Help your brother man from out of the slums.
It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this world. It's a song for the poor who's facing separation. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this world. It's a song for the poor who's facing separation. All around, stop down pressure. Why you only terrorize the poor, eluding the fact they are human, who one day will not take it anymore. Whoa. Take it from your brother Everton blender. Now is the time for you to get stronger. Wise up, and temper your anger. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this world. It's a song for the poor who is facing separation. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this world. It's a song for the poor who is facing tribulation. Give a little, even a little, just make it trickle. Know who you give to. I'm talking to you, Mr. Fortunate One. Hey, hey, hey. Do it in a hurry, or you'll be sorry. Others burden, we must help to carry. Ababa Janai, everyone. Hey, hey, hey. Get a people song, only them can sing this one. Yeah. Rasta children children never born to suffer. No. Oh, 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 oh. Them no come here to feel no pain. No. Oh, 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 oh. I have picnic, them no born to suffer. No. Oh, 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 oh. Them no come here to wear no chain. By the sweat of your brow you shall eat bread. Young man, be careful what you put in your head. If you'd listen to what the prophet said, you woulda know that this time would be dreader than dread. What is sweet to the mouth could be bitter to the belly. Sometimes the grass look to be greener on the other side. If the devil want your soul, why would you sell it? Or would you burn him in the name of Jah Rastafari? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, oh, oh. Rasta children never born to suffer. No, 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 no. Them not come here to feel no pain. No. Oh, 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 oh. I have picnic, them no born to suffer. No. Oh, 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 oh. Them not come here to wear no chain.
In our community, what happened to the poor, it not happened to the rich in this society. Too much of a Babylon brutality in our community. My people, I'm begging you to hold on steady. Yeah. This is reality and not a story. Too much of a war and brutality, yeah. It hurt me so bad to know that we are living in violence. So why can't you stop and make some adjustment? Yeah. Every day more feeling the pressure, every day more feeling the pain. Me see them a run, come to give by the blame again. Too much of the Babylon brutality in our community. What happened to the poor, it now happened to the rich in this society. Too much of a Babylon brutality in our community. Yeah, my people, I'm begging you to hold on steady. Hey, I can't take the pressure any longer. I can't wait for them to get stronger. Stop them now before it's too late, and I don't mean to hesitate. When I hear the sound of a gun, my blood run cold. My blood run cold. When I hear the sound of a gun, my blood run cold. My blood run cold, yeah. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. This is reality and not a story. Too much of a war and brutality. It hurt me so bad to know that we are living in violence. So why can't we stop and make some adjustment? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Every day poor feeling the pressure, yeah. Every day poor feeling the pain. Me see them a run come to give by the blame again. But too much of a Babylon brutality in our community. What happened to the poor, it not happened to the rich in this society.
No matter how me try to do what it is, oh, me can't believe it. Oh, you take them where you rape them and then go kill them. But they say you know have no heart for the children. How you move so cool? What make you throw the little picnic in the wall? a school you. Molester, hey Jaja gonna hold you. Hey murderer, little children, watch where you're going, watch where you walk. Them coming at you like a hungry shark. No play too late in at the park. No, don't trust the shadow of the dark. Oh no, nobody going and no one don't care. Make sure say you know who they are. Nobody see you too late. Cause vampires will be standing at your gate. Them a murderer. Hey, try to make them hold you. Hey, murderer. Me can't believe it. No. Oh. Me say me can't believe it. Watch out. Hey, listen this. One more youth in the ghetto life lost. Church bell ring, one more hearse pass. One more family weep. One more body gone 6 feet deep. One more youth gone fatherless. One more mother start face fear stress. One more bullet load on the clip. One more youth get pay for make a hit. You have to be careful when you walk the streets in the ghetto. You have to be careful. I won't leave a gunshot to echo. Believe me. Hey, listen this. One more community put up a roadblock and them catch you astray and now peer gunshot. Children can't go to school and the big man I use gonna turn them in a fool. One more gang war ready for start. One more dance same not take no talk. Police and bad man start on friend and nobody can cross the border again. You have to be careful when you walk the streets in the ghetto. You have to be careful. I won't leave a gunshot to echo. Believe me. Hey, listen this. One more family I pack up there. Cause them don't know how over life next. Them a pack up them little knapsack. The problem when the war done, them will come back. One more church family I pray. Night after night and day after day. I hope and trust that change will come. While out in the streets I feel blood a run. You have to be careful when you walk the streets in the ghetto. You have to be careful.
Have you ever heard a cage bird sing? There's a time and a place for everything. Whoa, 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 whoa. And do you believe in the joy it brings? When your eyes are open and you can see everything that's around you. Separating friends from foes, taking dangerous blows, learning from life as you grow. Yo, do you believe me? And whatever rough it may seem, it is not a far-fetched dream, and I know dreadlock will be coming in, and whatever rough it may seem, it is not a far-fetched dream, and I know heard a cage bird sing. There's a time and a place for everything, yo. Can you hear me? Yeah. Just open up your eyes, take a look within. There's a time and a place for everything, yo. Do you hear me? This one call you. Time on a place.
So people crying. Someone had died last night and still lying in the streets. I heard it on the radio. I saw it on the late night news. So many mothers in sorrow, pain and sorrow, and their dad is singing the blues. I heard about a land we can all go. Let's leave this place tomorrow. We're living a life of lies, and it's hurting my heart and soul. I heard about a place called heaven where there is caring and sharing. I heard about a place where love will lead the way. Every day I heard about a place called heaven where there is joy, no sorrow. I heard about a place, this place called heaven, where the angels fly. There's life everlasting where no one will die. Pure smiling faces, no reason to cry. Let's go to this place tonight. We're living down here too long. It's time to fly away, oh angel. I'm sick and tired. My desire is to live in love and harmony. I heard about a place called heaven where there is joy, no sorrow. I heard about a place where love will lead the way. Every day I heard about a place called heaven where there is caring and sharing. I heard about a place, yo, this place called heaven.
Oh, yeah. Na 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 na. Ooh, I've been through so many obstacles in my life, but overcome them by the powers of the Most High. He's the man, there's no other God, so I'ma praise him every day with all I have. Always put my trust in people, but they let me down, so I decided I'ma try this journey on my own. I'm not alone, he's here with me, so let it be, cause only the Father, the Father, the Father, only him alone can see me through. Cause only he can do what man can't do. Only the Father, the Father, the Father, only him alone can take me through. Cause only he can do what man can't do. Yeah. I've seen so many people falter by the wayside, neglect the Father, now they end up by the graveside. Can't deny the Most High, the Almighty Creator for you and I. So put your shoulders to the wheel, you better do your best, cause all some people wanna do in life is see you stress. Nevertheless, I know I'm blessed, so let your words manifest. Cause only the Father, the Father, the Father, only him alone can take me through. Cause only he can do what man can't do. Only the Father, the Father, the Father, only him alone can see me through. Yeah. Cause only he can do what man can't do. Yeah. I know so many people have been down this road so many times. People try to use you, abuse you, or even take advantage of you. But I know there's only one God, and he's
I'm a living while I'm living, to the Father I will pray. Only him know how we get through every day. Only I give the price, I'm a live we have to pay. While our leaders play, all I see, people are rip and a rob, all are grave. Thief never love is a thief with long bag. No love for the people who are suffer real bad. Another toll to the poor, may God help his soul. What is to stop the youth from get out of control? Full up on education, yet no own a payroll. The clothes from me back have countless eyes old. Could go on and on, the fool has never been told. I'm a living while I'm living, to the Father I will pray. Only Him know how we get through. Every day with only hiking the price. I'm a leg we have to pay while our leaders play. Me say who can afford to run will run, but what about those who can't? They will have to stay. Opportunity a scarce commodity. In this time I say, when mama spend her last and send you go class, never you ever play. It's a competitive world for low budget people, spending the time while earning a nickel, with no regard to who it may tickle. My cup is full to the brim. I could go on and on, the fool has never been told. Though this life it gets me down, won't give up now, got to survive. Some way, somehow.
Honorable slave master burns down the evil. Vampire get bigger with the needle. Yeah, me see it up. Slave master, lead the sheep them from the pastor. Mine it cause a disaster. Biological killer coming faster. Slave master, free the sheep them from the pastor. Mine it cause a disaster. Biological killer coming after. Yo! So you go put them on the front line of the buckle. Then you give them sword and you give them nunchuckle. When you know say a gunshot them a go tackle. Trick them with your school, then you trick them with your chapel. Slave them on your cane, then you slave them on your apple. Well again, burn your chain and your shackle. Take them for the catch and take them out of the wackle. Cause now they have spiritually, mentally hackle. So me say, slave master, till the sheep them from the pastor. Mine it cause a disaster. Biological killer coming after. Slave master, till the sheep them from the pastor. Mine it cause a disaster. Biological killer coming after. Yo, on the slave action, you give them the Bible upon the plantation, and all that cause a be a disillusion. Then confuse spirituality with religion. Well, religion is a rule created by the pagans. That's why Capleton say unification. When the Africans stop depend on outside forces and depend on their own solution, there will be no more spiritual nor mental distortion. Slave master, lead the sheep them from the pastor. I mind it cause a disaster. Biological killer coming after. Slave master, lead the sheep them from the pastor. Mine it cause a disaster. Biological killer coming after.
Yeah. You're telling us about peace when you're only teaching us about war. We're living so close but yet so far. Now you keep telling me about love when you only teach us to hate. It's like you don't want to see no love in the human race. Question: when are you going to stop the bloodshedding on all these sorrows and pain? Just do something instead of nothing. We're feeling too much strain, yeah. Fathers dying, mothers crying, children getting insane, yeah. It's all because of their unfair gain, yeah. If you wanna stop the looting and the shooting, stop the corruption in the system. And if you don't stop the fussing and the fighting, we all might end up to be a victim. If you wanna stop the looting and the shooting, stop the corruption in the system. And if you don't stop the fussing and the fighting, we all might end up to be a victim of the system. Whoa, 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 hey. Yeah. You make it hard so that we have to fight to live. You build your prison for us to be a captive. The economical system is a fraud. We're working so hard and no food that we got. How can we learn if you teach us this way? Stop leading my children astray. So I say, there must be a better day. That's what I say. There must be a better way. you wanna stop the looting and the shooting, stop the corruption in the system. And if you don't stop the fussing and the fighting, we all might end up to be a victim. If you wanna stop the looting and the shooting, hey, stop the corruption in the system. And if you don't stop the fussing and the fighting, we all might end up to be a victim of the system. Whoa, hey, yeah. You're telling us about peace when you're only teaching us about war. You're living so close but yet so far. Now you keep telling me about love when you only teach us to hate. It's like you don't want to see no love in the human race. Question, when are you going to stop the bloodshedding on all the sorrows and pain? Do something instead of nothing. We're feeling too much pain. Fathers dying, mothers crying, children getting insane, yeah. All because of fear and fear games, yeah. If you wanna stop the looting and the shooting, just stop the corruption in the system. And if you don't stop the fussing and the fighting, we all might end up to be a victim. If you wanna stop the looting and the shooting, just stop the corruption in the system. And if you don't stop
Jordan River, I saw Selassie stretch forth his hand to take I cross. Jordan River, on my merry way to Zion. The man that knoweth his master's will and Rastafari, he shall be burned with fire. The man that knoweth his master's will and doeth it not, he shall be burned with fire. The man that knoweth his master's will and doeth it not, he shall be burned with fire. I was on my merry way to Zion. Zion for Rastafari, Zion for Jah, Zion for Rastafari, Zion for Jah. I'm say Zion for Rastafari, Zion for Jah, Zion for Rastafari, Zion for Jah. Jah Rastafari. I saw Selassie I stretch forth his hand to take I cross. Jordan River, I saw Selassie I stretch forth his hand to take I cross. Jordan River, I saw Selassie I stretch forth his hand to take I cross. Jordan River, I was on my merry way to Zion. The man that knoweth his master's will and doeth it not, he shall be burned with fire. Fire! The man that knoweth his master's will and doeth it not, he shall be burned with fire. Fire! The man that knoweth his master's will and doeth it not, he shall be burned with fire. I was on my merry way to Zion. Zion, oh Rastafari, Zion, oh Jah. I'm say Zion, oh Rastafari, Zion,